Hey everyone, it's Happysimus here. Today, I'm taking you along on a forgettable trip to the island of Pangüita, just off the coast of Buenaventura. The moment we actually arrived, the air was thick with that salty Pacific
Yeah,
breeze.
man.
Music playing in the distance, of course, the locals. It was just fun and cool time. We spent the weekend at the decent beachside hotel. On Sunday in the afternoon, as we started our boat ride back, the sky suddenly turned dark. Within minutes, the rain kept pouring down. The waves rocked the boat, soaked the tree. We finally reached the shore at the city of Buenaventura.
Okay, so we're making our way back. Fortunately, it's pretty rainy. Caught in the rain.
Honestly, it was one of those moments and adventures you remember and cherish for life. By the way, if you're interested about logistics and accommodation, DM me in the comments below. Just wanted to share this moment with you. The moment we actually entered the boat ride, and our way back to the city of Buenaventura. Enjoy, guys. Have fun. Sure. Approaching the boat wasn't that easy. Quite some waves, shaky boats. We had to struggle and make our way into the boat, as you can see.
Yeah, so we are somewhere in the Pacific. We're making our way back. That's the launcher we're using. That's the people we have at the back. And we are preparing to leave. Unfortunately, it's raining. It's a pretty wet day, but that's not so unusual here around the Buenaventura area. We just entered the land and we're making our way back. So we're making our way back. That's how the crowd looks like from behind. There's some people enjoying. There's some people enjoying the beach. This is our directing guy. And our boat is gradually making its way. Arrival, it looks like we just arrived. That's the seaport at the corner. That's how the port looks like. Other people arriving. Some people doing fishing around the corner. Now we're making our way back. It's a rainy day. We made it across the Pacific Ocean inside the lancha. So it looks like at the corner. Dogs chilling around. That's the boats, the lanchas. That's how they look like. That's the major seaport of Buenaventura out there. Interestingly, a lot of water has receded, so you can see. This is where we were a couple of hours yesterday. This is how it looked like. There was water all over here, but all of it is receded. And so that area has a city, has a port, famous whale. A couple of people waiting around. We make our way back. trooper. You see, that's the exit. That's where we came from. The left side looks like from this side. All the way out there. I'm gonna stop recording. We are heading out of the port. I don't know how it is outside there, so I'm gonna stop recording for now. Guys, that was our trip back from the Pangüita across the Pacific Ocean.